Waste Management has been in the process of building a new materials recovery facility for years. The $26 million Ecocenter will increase capacity for single-stream recycling. Paul Nelson joins us live on Commercial Row, where the Ecocenter is being built. So, Paul, what is the latest on this recycling facility?
Well, as you can see, this building is really starting to take shape, Landon. Waste Management bought the property next to the transfer station about 5 years ago, long before single-stream recycling started in our area. Now, construction started during the summer right next to the transfer station, and it's supposed to make the process much more efficient. Washoe County residents will have an easier time recycling early next year when the single-stream program begins. Reno and Sparks already have single-stream recycling. Recyclables from all three areas will eventually be taken to this new 44,000 square foot facility in Reno.
It's over 208 feet wide with no column. That's really pushing the envelope for a free-span, pre-engineered metal building.
Construction of the complex started last year, which included a new parking lot and landscaping. The dispatch center and fueling station had to be replaced first.
So I had to complete this before I could demo this, had to complete this before I could demo this. Then I started my footprint of the merged building.
Crews are working on the roof and installing electrical, HVAC, and fire suppression. Even the equipment is being installed.
So we have the compactor in place, the baler's over here ready to be skated into place, the embeds are in, the glass bunker wall's up, all the convey equipment is here and across the street.
The material is currently taken to this facility in Sparks, then loaded onto semi-trucks that take it to the Sacramento Recycling and Transport Station. Rico's Ecocenter will allow some of it to be processed first.
Instead of just taking the material and loading it all on a truck and sending it to SRT, we're actually going to have the opportunity to do some sorting on it.
6 truckloads of material come from Reno to this facility every single day, and the first thing that happens is it goes onto this conveyor belt. The cardboard is separated and everything else falls onto these conveyor belts. Then it goes onto a series of filters. The recyclables will still get taken to Sacramento, but more efficiently because some of it will already be sorted.
Some of the smaller dimensional paper and balls and cans stuff that you can't get out at the Ecocenter, we'll be able to get it out here.
Material will be compacted into bales, allowing truckloads to increase from 16 tons to 21, and only 3 semis will be needed. Anderson says 22 subcontractors and about 1,500 people have worked on this project, all hired locally.
They will be working around the clock starting this Saturday, installing the equipment, and they have about 6 weeks worth of work. The Ecocenter is expected to be finished sometime late next month or in early February. Then crews will start on the admin building, and that'll be the final part of this project. Covering the story live, Paul Nelson, Channel 2 News.